On Saturn, with a magnifier, welcome to Saturnifier. Please click and subscribe to stay up to date with my latest videos. Thank you. Go out. To stop burning or shining. Suddenly the candle went out. Put out. To make a fire stop burning. I put the fire out with a fire extinguisher. Workout. To do physical exercises. They work out at the gym once a week. Eat out. To eat in a restaurant instead of at home. We eat out with our friends all the time. Hand out. To give something to each person in a group. The teacher hands out the exam papers. Knock out. To make someone become unconscious or go to sleep. He was knocked out in the 7th round. Break out. To escape from a prison. The man has broken out of a top security jail. Cut out. To cut a shape from a piece of paper, cloth, etc. The children were cutting out squares from the scraps of material. Hang out. To spend a lot of time in a place or with someone. I used to hang out with these people when I was at college. Pass out. To become unconscious. She passed out because the room was too hot. Well done, everyone! Please watch the video over and over again and review the lesson. As you know, practice makes perfect. Don't miss a thing. Please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon. Thank you.